Yo, what's going on, everybody? We back with another video on the old Ranger Danger 5000. And in today's video, we're just gonna be talking about something that I've already done, as you can probably tell by the thumbnail and by just looking at the truck here. We did get the windows tinted, got the brow 5%, got the two front driver doors 15%, and then we also got 5% over the factory on the back too, and the back glass. So I think that looks a lot better as well. As you can probably tell, we already debadged this sucker, took all the stickers off. We took the sticker that was here, and I ain't gonna lie to you guys, I did record me taking those nasty yellow halogen bulbs out of the cargo lights, but I don't know if it's the cold weather, because it is kind of cold today. My phone completely froze up and all that footage was gone. So we did change out the two bulbs, I think I'm pointing at the ceiling, in the cargo lights. Show you guys that there. These are the ones I went with, just some cheap ones off Amazon, nothing crazy. Oh shoot, look at that. We got cargo lights in the bed. I thought those were like points to anchor stuff down. That's lights, cool. The Ram didn't even have that. That's cool. Okay, Ford stepping it up in the old base model trucks. Well, one up from base model, but it's gonna do what we need it to do. It's 4-wheel drive, you know, that's the main thing. Next thing we're gonna be doing in this video, we're gonna be swapping out the nasty yellow reverse lights as well. Already got my tool situated, so you will need some Allen keys. And let me show you guys, it's gonna be a 3.0 as the size, or no, 4.0 as the size. I guess that's how you detect the size of the old Allen keys. Yep. Oh my God, that's tight. But yeah, so far, man, enjoying this thing. I haven't even drove the Jeep since I got the old Ranger. Just been enjoying the old Ranger here. Like I said, it's good on gas. Like, I can fill it up and get 413 miles on the highway, which it gets like 25 miles a gallon right now. But I'm sure once we get some bigger tires on here and get it lifted off the ground a little bit, that's going to drop drastically. Maybe, I don't know. We'll find out. But I mean, you got to pay to play, I guess. But yeah, man, really enjoying the truck. Like I said, if you've never driven a mid-size truck, give it a try. You'd be surprised how much room these things got in them now. Like, that's my main concern, was like, oh, it's not that big. Not going to be enough room to do anything in there, as far as like put stuff in the back seats, things along those lines. But you'd actually be pretty surprised at how, okay. Let's see if we can figure out how this pops off without breaking something. Let me get the old flatty out. There we go. Okay, I'm not too worried about that. That was behind the light. But yeah, you'd be surprised at how much room you actually have in this truck. I know I was, like I said, I've been against them for a minute, because I was like, yeah, they're not big enough to do anything in, but I've been surprised. And I'm not the biggest guy on the block. I'm about 5'10". I mean, I can sit in the back. You know, I have plenty of room. Now, if there's a 7-foot guy in the front that's got the seat slid all the way back, we might have an issue. But as far as your average human being sitting up front, I think you'll be just fine. Unless you're, like I said, tall, super tall. I know the guy that I got the truck from at the dealership, he was over 6 feet, and you know, he sat in it just fine. So if you're on the fence about it not being big enough, give it a try. Go test drive it, because it'll surprise you. It surprised me. Like I said, I've had just about every truck you could probably name, just about, except diesels. I haven't had a diesel, a new one. That's on the bucket list. Probably after we keep this about a year, we'll trade it in and get a diesel. Like I said, I got a good deal on this thing. I paid sticker price and got an additional 8-year bumper to bumper warranty on it. So I think I got a good deal on it. Only time will tell. But I'm gonna go ahead and pop this other one off. I'm not gonna bore you guys with taking this one off. It's gonna be the same procedure. I used a flathead on this side here. Just be careful with your paint and just pride it off. Which, if you have a trim removing tool, that'll probably work best. Actually, I do have one. Probably gonna go grab that out of the OBS. But yeah, once I get them put in, I'll pick the video back up and show you guys how they look when it's in reverse. Give me like 5 seconds. All right, everybody, we got them in there. Let me set the old camera up and I'll show you guys how they look. Give you an idea on what they look like. Hopefully they work. Y'all know sometimes the polarity on them are backwards. Sorry about the noise. I was getting a piece of bubble gum. But yeah, like I said, I don't even know if they just worked just then. But that's gonna do it for this video. Like I said, stay tuned because we do have a little suspension mod coming. That's gonna be after this video here. And another cool thing that I wanted to show you guys is in the back seat, which I didn't know. You get some storage pockets. Look at that. Some storage pockets. Which is cool. I wouldn't think you would, just considering the size of the truck, but you do. And you also get some cubbies in the door. Man, this gum's hard as a brick. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. Like I said, stay tuned. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe. We're closing in on 2K subs. We got a lot more stuff coming for this thing. Got more stuff coming for the OBS. Just don't know when I'm gonna put it on. The truck, I've already got it. The OGMC, we got some stuff planned for it too. Just been holding off the Jeep. We ain't worried about that thing no more. But yeah, like I said, stay tuned because shortly after this video comes out, the suspension video with the leveling kits are going to be coming out next. That's the one I'm looking forward to. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.